It's Monday morning, guys, and you guys know what we do on Mondays, right? The first thing I need to tell you is YouTube is not in a very easy mode the way you actually thought it's supposed to be. There are days that you're not going to be getting the result that you want to achieve. There are days that you'll be wowed that, oh, you actually did it. But the good part of YouTube is every single person is going to be making money. How do I get 1,000 subscribers? How do I get 4,000 watch hour? How do I get my channel monetized? I'm tired. I'm frustrated. I understand all of that hustle. Okay. Now, what we're going to do basically this morning, you guys know, is our grow party. And how do we do our grow party? This is where we personally go into our channels to like help support small YouTubers. This time around, we're not only going to rely it on comment section. I keep saying it. What I actually want you to do this time around is to check all the small YouTubers and also support them because that is one of the best ways to fast grow on YouTube. You understand? Support them. People that you have subscribed to their channel, watch their videos. Now YouTube is oversaturated. A lot of people right now are creating content. So if you're not ready to support them, they are not ready to support you. So for someone that is small and you're a small YouTuber, make sure that you are supporting someone out there. You understand? So to everyone that is going to be dropping comments in the comment section, please do not just go from their comment section down to their account. Do well to watch their videos, turn on notification bell, and do what? Support their channel, subscribe. You understand? That is one of the best, simplest, sweetest way to grow on YouTube. Another thing I'm going to be talking about is ensure that your settings are intact. If your settings are not intact, trust me, at the end of the day, you are going to be suffering and not achieving the desired result that you so achieve. Okay, so make sure that all your YouTube studio settings are intact. That is one of the key thing. Again, then the next thing that can actually help you in getting your 1,000 subscribers is for you to ensure that you keep your consistent upload. Consistency is the key. I keep saying it in all of my videos. We can do without consistency on YouTube. That's just the honest truth. Make sure that you are consistent, and whenever you're consistent, bring things that have value, things that people can actually relate to, things that is happening in your society that you feel like, oh, these things people can actually relate to it. Then getting all of that views, 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hour that you are thinking about is definitely not going to be a problem. A lot of people are getting subscribers every single day, and you can also be among those ones getting subscribers. Another thing I will tell you is ensure that your playlists are also intact. Your playlists are very important. If your playlists are not intact, do well to make sure that your playlists are intact. Your playlist is one of the things that could help YouTube recommend your videos out there, and people can click on your playlist to watch. Put your playlist in the description box of your video as a small content creator. If you're not doing that, you are wrong. That's why I said it is not just by coming here, connecting from the comment section. That is not just the thing. The thing is doing other important thing that is right. If you just keep commenting on the comment section and at the end of the day you go to some person's channel, you find out that they have videos 3 months ago, 5 months ago, 6 months ago, you are still not going to be achieving your soul desire. So do well to put all of this thing in place. Your descriptions are important, your titles are important, your thumbnails are important, your keywords, your tags are important. These are the things that you need to know so that you can achieve success on YouTube. 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hour, whatsoever you want to achieve, start making money on YouTube. But lastly, do not quit, because if you quit, at the end of the day, you're not going to be achieving results. YouTube is not for quitters. YouTube is people that are strong. YouTube is people that honestly want to make it out here. You understand? So do that and trust me, you're not going to regret this. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. I love you guys. Mwah. And lastly, wish me success in my exam. I'm writing an exam, but I just took out my time to still come and film videos for you because I love you guys. Subscribe. Bye.